Let's make Lao Tai Lue Oxtail Kasoy in Mien style. To cut down time, today we'll be using an Instapot. First, add 3 pounds of your choice of beef. I use beef oxtails and beef rack ribs. Next, add in your toasted spices aromatics in a tea bag, followed by lemongrass stalks, charred onions, and charred ginger. Next, fill the water to the max line. My instant pot size is 8 quarts. Next, add in your seasonings, chicken bouillon, and fish sauce. I will list all the measurements in the description. Next, close the lid, lock, and pressure cook for 1 hour for thawed meat or 1 hour and 20 minutes for frozen meat. Next, let's make our meat sauce. On high heat, add vegetable oil to a pot or pan. Once hot, add in minced garlic and minced shallots. Stir until fragrant. Next, introduce your ground pork. Break the meat down to min-sized pieces. Let this cook at 60 to 70%, followed by adding in your seasonings, lemongrass powder or fresh minced lemongrass, chicken bouillon, and fish sauce. Stir and combine well. Next is the most crucial ingredient, the star of the show, pho nao or topse. This is fermented bean paste that is savory and delicious. I got this from Auntie Jenny of Kasoy & Co. This is really hard to find in America. Next, add in tomato wedges. Stir and combine gently for the next 2 to 3 minutes. Next, add in black pepper, paprika for color, and some make shit good MSG. For my other choice of protein, I have sliced beef, shrimp, and beef meatballs. For my choice of veggies and herbs, I have thinly sliced cabbage, chopped scallions, cilantro, bean sprouts, and lime wedges. Next, you can allow this to natural release or hit the quick release valve button. To serve, ladle in your desired amount of broth onto your wide rice noodles, top off with your desired amount of meat sauce, protein, veggies and herbs, fried garlic, sriracha, hoisin, lime, and chili oil. For Mien style, add tamarind powder and beef paste to taste. For those who never had this, the broth is savory, rich, and comforting. The meat sauce is out of this world. The signature taste of the fermented bean paste is something that you have to try this lifetime. The bean paste is umami and has a hint of a smoke-like flavor profile. The white noodles are slippery, soft, and silky and comforting. The veggies and herbs add so much textures and a crunch to each bite. Now that you learned how to make this, save my recipe for later or tag me whenever you make this.